This video shows you how to replace the power supply of the convenience stapler. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Unplug the stapler power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the power supply. Remove the column cover. Unplug the used power supply from the convenience stapler. Unpack the new power supply. Connect the new power supply to the convenience stapler. Position the new power supply properly. Attach the column cover. Connect one end of the stapler power cord to the new power supply, and then the other end to the electrical outlet. The convenience stapler is ready when the blue light comes on. Connect one end of the printer power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.